don't forget to tune in before you start and then press play and let's go. And bring your hands down to your knees and begin circling your upper body in a clockwise direction. On the inhale, you bring your upper body forward. On the exhale, you circle it back. Eyes are closed so you can begin focusing on your inner space. Breath through the nose. And begin anchoring your mind on the mantra of Satnam. On the inhale, you mentally chant Sat. On the exhale, you mentally chant Nam. And then circle in the other direction. Then bring your spine tall up to center. Inhale your breath, suspend the breath. And exhale. Now preparing for spinal flex, you bring your hands onto your front shin and the front top of your foot right here. And on the inhale, you push your belly button and your chest forward. And on the exhale, you rock your pelvis back and you round the back. And your head just kind of stays upright. Inhale, forward. Exhale, round. And keep that going, moving with your breath. And really letting your pelvis, right, move here, forward and backward. The tilts forward and backward. Eyes closed, just focus on the sensations inside of your body. Then you can take the pace up just a tiny little bit. And bring the spine tall, a deep, deep inhale, suspend the breath in, activate, rectum, pelvic floor, navel, squeeze. And exhale, relax the hands. Come lying on your back for leg raises. And bring your hands like a little triangle, lifting your booty up, bringing your hands underneath, kind of like your tailbone a little bit. This prevents your lower back from arching up. We want to keep that lower back a little bit closer to the mat. So this is how you support your lower back. Your legs are long, pointed, toes pointed away from you. And right here, begin alternate leg lifts. Inhale, lift the left leg up. Exhale, bring the left leg all the way down. Inhale, bring the right leg up. Exhale, the right leg all the way down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Breathing through the nose. Eyes are closed. And since this is the challenging posture, when the challenge comes, use your breath to move the legs. So it's going to feel like you're on the inhale, you pull that leg up, and on the exhale, you push it down. So let your breath support you here and stay so steady. And for this last little bit, you're going to begin double leg lifts. So both legs press together. Inhale up to the ceiling. Exhale, lower them all the way down. Inhale up. Exhale all the way down. Your heels gently touching the mat. Inhale up. Exhale down. Here we go. Last few breaths, last few times. And inhale, both legs up, suspend the breath, squeeze that root lock. And on the exhale, slowly, total control, lower them down. Release the hands, palms facing up. Relax. And inhaling. Exhaling as you bring your knees in towards the chest. Rock backwards and forwards on your spine. And come rock yourself up right back into easy pose. Bring your hands onto your heart center, right hand on top of the left, elbows just relax down. And as you're chanting, please let this mantra rise from your root, through your sacral chakra, up to the navel chakra and out, and feel that vibration out of your heart chakra. And your eyes are going to be just gently closed, and you're going to focus them again up and in towards that third eye point. In between the chanting, you just slowly and gently inhale, and then you chant the mantra, and then again slowly and gentle inhale. All right, let's do this together.
Me within me is the purity. Me within me is the reality. Me within me is the grace. I am the master of the space. Me within me is the purity. Me within me is the reality. Me within me is the grace. I am the master of the space. Me within me is the purity. Me within me is the reality. Me within me is the grace. I am the master of the space. Me within me is the purity. Me within me is the reality. Me within me is the grace. I am the master of the space.
Inhale the truth of these words deep into your soul.
Me within me is the purity. Me
On the exhale, raise the arms up, shake it out, distribute it into every cell of your being.
I am the master of the space.
Lower the hands.
Me within me is the purity. Me within me is the reality. Me within me is the grace. I am the master of the space. Me
Yay.
within me is the
And if you have time, please come lying down on your back for 3 to 10 minutes to integrate.